Temperatures out there this morning, though, ranging from the low 30s, upper 20s down south to the upper 30s into the low 40s here across the Bluegrass region. The big reason why it's colder across southern Kentucky than it is across the Bluegrass region is because we've had that wind increasing so far in Lexington. They have not had that wind yet across southern Kentucky. Viper radar right now is dry. Looking around the region, there's a front to our north and our west, and that's going to slowly be working its way our direction here in the next couple of days. Up until then, though, it's going to provide that southerly flow, warm us up into the 60s by lunchtime, at least low 70s. I do think we see some mid 70s on the way this afternoon. Then overnight tonight and into your Wednesday morning, we keep that wind around. That'll allow our temperatures to only fall into the upper 40s, potentially low 50s in spots. For your Wednesday afternoon, the question is when exactly this round of cloud cover moves in. We're going to be right on that edge here in Lexington. West of us, it'll likely be a little bit cooler, upper 60s for Frankfort, up towards Owen County, Anderson County, Boyle County potentially as well. But east of Lexington, upper 70s are definitely possible, maybe even close to 80. And then as you head towards your Wednesday evening, late Wednesday evening, really during the overnight hours, around the showers, a few rumbles of thunder move on through. That will be weakening. What's not going to be weakening is the drop in temperatures. It's going to bring us the chance of some snow showers mixing in with some rain on the way for your midday and into your Thursday afternoon. So there is a low end level 1 severe risk Wednesday into Wednesday night. It's mainly north and west of Lexington between Indianapolis and Chicago. That's important because if you're driving up late Wednesday to Milwaukee for the NCAA tournament, you could be dealing with running into some of those storms. Looking at the high temperature trend Tuesday into Wednesday tomorrow, we've got mid 70s, but Thursday afternoon is going to be much, much colder. And I mentioned if you are heading up to Milwaukee, here's a look at your solid blue future cast. We have that rain later in the evening hours on Wednesday, so keep that in mind. Also, look at this. Wednesday night into Thursday, some snow that will be potentially moving in to Milwaukee. Thursday, day before the game, that's probably when a lot of people will be traveling. You will have some pretty decent conditions there. Just make sure you pack your winter gear because it is going to be much colder up there in Milwaukee. Another chance of rain by Friday. So here's a look at the next 3 days there in Milwaukee. We'll keep you updated on that, but it's really Wednesday into Thursday where that system arrives and brings much colder air, kind of like what we're going to be dealing with here in Kentucky. So for today, mostly sunny, breezy, and warmer, 74 degrees. Tonight, we'll fall into the low 50s. Clouds increasing, not as cold. There's a look ahead at your full 7-day forecast. So mid 70s today and tomorrow. Big temperature drop on the way for Thursday. That is the first day of spring. Spring officially begins at 5:01 in the morning, and we may start to see a few snowflakes flying at right around that time.